Yeah, this is the spiral stairs we built. I built several years ago, many years ago, and has an inside railing, but the outside is very open. And after adding support over here, I really like how this turned out right here. Decided to add many more. So let's go over on this side. So right here is where we're going to put our first piece. So I have one made, and it's going to go up like this, and then we're going to attach it there. And from the side, you can see how it has some design to it. And we're going to do this all the way around. And then this one right here, we're going to straighten that out. It had pulled in originally, and I wasn't happy with it, but at the time I let it go, and now I'm going to take it apart after I add these other supports in. Take that apart, bring it out where it should be, and then refasten it. So that's what we're working on. We're going to do several of these, and time to screw it in and start seeing the design come together. I'm going to add a lot of support and design at the same time. So support-wise, it's pretty good. The stairs hasn't been too bad. I've added some here and there over the years, but this will definitely add major support.